Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, for example, you are running a non-profit fundraiser or maybe a personal project. Adding a donate button is a great way to collect support. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to add a donate button on Wix website in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for wix.com. Now tap on this website. It will take you automatically to this new panel where you should just usually log in using your email address and password. So for me, I have two websites. I just have to select one of them. I selected the one with the restaurant setup, so I'm gonna go all the way to it. Now, all we're gonna do is basically tap on design site so we can be able to go to the website editor. It's there where we're gonna add this kind of donate button. Okay, it's basically the first step. You can also access it from the apps if you want to maybe to download the app. Basically, to select it for this. But for me, I'm gonna go to add elements. I'm gonna go to this whatsoever button here. So we have this payment buttons, as you see, pay now, buy now, purchase. We have the related apps for it as well. iTunes button, image button, icon button. As you see, we have multiple icons here. So for example, you have already done this. Everything's looking good. The button, the images, everything is looking good. We're gonna go back to the panel or the dashboard where we're gonna go to this apps here, app market. So we can actually go and look for Wix donations. Since basically we're gonna need it. Now, Wix donations. Yes, that's it. Wix donations, collect and manage online donations. Just tap add to sites. It's totally free to install. Customize the donation settings, choose fixed amounts, or allow custom donations. Connect payment provider. You can connect it to Wix payment. It depends on your region or maybe PayPal if enabled. Design the button as I showed you. Customize the text, the colors, and the layout. And all you're gonna do now is publish your site. And that's basically it. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.